geometric series. Very simple. Say we start with a number, say 2. Get 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So on. Now, this is the first term. This is the second term, third, fourth, so on, so forth till the nth term. Now, this is a geometric progression. Now, over here, instead of finding the nth term, I want to find the total of terms. You understood the difference? Now, what I want is, if say this is the first installment, this is the second installment, this is the third, this is the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. I want to find what's the total amount of 10 installments. Understood this? Now, over here, what we have to find is, we have to find sum of terms. Now, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 and 8, 14, 14 and 16, 30. If it is 3, 4 terms, we can do it manually. But if it is find the total of 50 terms, 60 terms, 80 terms, 100, 150, 89 terms, so it will be difficult to do it manually. So we use some formulas. The formula is Sn. What is n? Sum of n terms. It may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, which is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Or in certain, or maybe 1 or 2 sums, I have seen this formula, generally not so important. Sn is equal to r into Tn minus a upon r minus 1. Now over here, if the value of r, if r is equal to 1, तो क्या हो जाएगा ये? The 1 minus 1 will become 0. So can we use this formula? Anything upon 0 is what? It's infinity. Undefined, yes, we don't know. But 0 upon anything is 0. So if r is equal to 1, this will become 0, which is then we cannot use this formula. Now we will say कि sir r is equal to 1 कैसे possible हो सकता है? बिल्कुल possible है. What is geometric progression? 2 into 2 4 into 2 8. We multiply with some number constant. Can it not be 2 into 1 2, again into 1 2, again into 1 2? This is also geometric progression, isn't it? Because 2 upon 2 is 1, 2 upon 2 is 1, T3 upon T2 is also 1. So if we want to use this formula, the condition is, for this is, r should not be equal to 1. Understood this? If r is equal to 1, we cannot use this formula. So what do we do? If r is equal to 1, Sn will be equal to what? If I want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms, cut total, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 8. So 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. This is a constant. Can I say 2 is a? So ये जितना भी चाहिए मुझे, say if I want 5, so can I say 5 into 2, which is equal to 10? So this 5 is n and this 2 is a. So if r is equal to 1, Sn is equal to n into a. It can come in short sums. Understood this? Okay. ये दोनों लिखो, फिर और rules लिखते हैं. Come to page number 286. Find the sum of illustration 18, page 286. Find the sum of first 5 terms of GP, 5, 15, 45. Let's write illustration 18, page number 286. 5 terms are 5, 15, 45. Now, what is A? फर्स्ट टर्म 5, ध्यान दो पहला सम है ये, तो ध्यान दो फिर खुद कर पाओगे. A is equal to 5. Now what is our common ratio? What is common divisible number over here? 15 divided by 5. So T2 upon T1 which is equal to 15 by 5 which is equal to 3. A मिल गया, R मिल गया. What we have to find? We have to find sum of 5 terms. Therefore n is equal to 5. Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Can we use this formula? Yes, because R is 3. If R is 1, we cannot use this formula. So S5 is equal to A is 5, R is 3, raised to n is 5 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is equal to 5 into 3 raised to 5. 243 minus 1 upon 2. 5 into 242 by 2. 605. Therefore, S5 is equal to 605. Answer. Okay. Illustration 19. Illustration 19. Find the sum of first 6 terms of GP 8, 4, 2. Let's write GP for 8, 4, 2. We have to find sum of first 6 terms. So A is equal to 8, R is equal to T2 upon T1 which is 4 divided by 8 which is equal to 1 by 2. Since R is not equal to 1, we can use this formula. So we write down, we want sum of 6 terms is equal to S6, where n is equal to 6. Therefore, Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. S6 is equal to 8 into R is 1 by 2 whole raised to 6 minus 1 upon 1 by 2 minus 1. अब ये सब में प्रॉब्लम होता है स्टूडेंट्स को, ऐसा सब देख के डर लगता है, तो इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? सिस्टमैटिक जाएंगे. ध्यान देना, S6 is equal to 8 है, 8 को as it is रखते हैं, 1 by 2 raised to 6, so 1 raised to 6 is 1. What is 2 raised to 6? 64 minus 1. 2 raised to 6 कर सकते हो ना फिर कैलसी पे, कैलकुलेटर्स है, तो अगर मैथ्स वीक है तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 करके raised to 6. So what you get is 64 whole upon 1 by 2 minus 1. How do we solve this? Here 2 comes over here. 2 comes over here, so it will be 1 minus 2 upon 2. 1 by 2, ये 2 यहाँ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा and everything will be upon 2. इसको ब्रैकेट में लिख देते हैं. Is equal to 8 into ये 64 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, so 1 minus 64 is minus 3 by 64 whole upon minus 1 by 2. क्या करो, स्टेप बढ़ा देते, which is equal to ये 8, ठीक है, तो here I write minus 63 by 8 upon minus 1 by 2. Minus minus plus is equal to ये 2 ऊपर और 8 नीचे, so 63 into 2 upon 8 is equal to 63 by 4. Answer. Therefore, S6 is equal to 63 by 4. Illustration 21. अच्छा ये हो गया सबका. Now, illustration 21. The sum of first 3 terms of GP with common ratio 0.2 is 0.496. find the first term of GP. Keep calculators with you. Now let's write what is given. Sum of first three terms. So illustration 21, S3 is equal to 0.496. First term common ratio R is equal to 0.2. What we have to find? We have to find the value of A. कैसे करेंगे ऐसा कोई भी सम है? तो first we write the formula. So we write the formula. Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Therefore, S3 A into 0.2 raised to n क्या है? What is n? N is 3 minus 1 upon 0.2 minus 1. Therefore, what is S3? 0.496 is equal to A into 0.2 raised to 3 is how much? 0.008 minus 1 upon minus 0.8. 0.2 minus 1 is 0.8 negative. Therefore, we cross multiply. A is equal to 0.496 into minus 0.8 upon minus 0.08 minus 1 is how much? Minus 0.992. Minus 0.992. ये पता चला कैसा आया? यहाँ से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया. We multiplied this with this and this went into division. Now minus minus will become plus. Solve it on the calculator. A is equal to 0.4. Sum of how many terms of GP? 800, 400, 200 is 1500. Now let's write what is given first. 800, 400, 200 is 1500. This is the first term. Okay, first term. So we take A is equal to 800. R is equal to T2 upon T1, which is equal to 400 upon 800, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now what is 1500? This is the sum. So it's a total. So this is Sn. So Sn is equal to 1500. What we have to find? We have to find the value of n. So we write the formula. Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Therefore, 1500 is equal to 800 into R raised to n. R is 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1 upon 1 by 2 minus 1. एक सिंप्लीफाई तो तुरंत हम कर ही सकते हैं. If you want to do it, ये 0 0 ये 0 0 कैंसिल, ये कैंसिल कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? Okay, so therefore 15 is equal to 8 into 1 by 2 whole raised to n minus 1 upon 1 by 2 minus 1 is what? Half minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. This 2 will come over here. So 15 is equal to 8 2s are 16. Negative हो जाएगा because this is minus in the bracket 1 by 2 whole raised to n minus 1. Therefore, ये 16 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. 15 upon 16 negative is equal to 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. What we will do for this one? This minus 1 will become plus 1. Therefore, समझ में आई है? ये minus 1 इधर आ जाएगा. So it will become plus 1. So 1 by 2 whole raised to n is equal to 1 minus 15 by 16.
0.937
wait. So 1 by 2 raised to n is equal to 16 minus 15 is 1 by 16. Therefore, 1 by 2 whole raised to how much is 1 by 16? 1 by 2 raised to how much is 16? 4. So 1 by 2 raised to 4 is equal to 1 by 16 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to n. Therefore, n is equal to 4. In a GP, the first term is 27 and the sum of first three term is 189. Find the common ratio of GP. Okay, that's sorry. Now, first term is 27. So first term A is equal to 27. Sum of first three term is 189. So S3 is equal to 189. What we have to find? We have to find the common ratio, that is R. You write the formula. Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Therefore, 189 is equal to A is 27. What is n? 3. R raised to 3 minus 1 upon R minus 1. Okay. Now, ध्यान दो. 189 divided by 27 is equal to R raised to 3 minus 1 upon R minus 1. Therefore, how much? 7 is equal to R raised to 3 minus 1 का expansion is R minus 1, R square plus R plus 1 whole upon R minus 1. ये याद रखना पड़ेगा. ये फैक्टराइज करके आ सकता है पर तुम्हें याद रखना पड़ेगा. ओके, तो फॉर्मूला पेज पे यू राइट डाउन द रूल. फॉर्मूला पेज पे ध्यान दो प्लीज. R cube minus 1 is equal to R minus 1, R square plus R plus 1 and R cube plus 1 which is equal to R plus 1, R square minus R plus 1. Now, if you have any doubt, whenever in such results, you take some number and try it out. Let's take number 2. Let's take, for example, R is equal to 2. So R cube is 2 cube minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 square is 4 plus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 2 cube is 8 minus 1 is equal to 1 into 7 which is 7 is equal to 7. Now let's check out 2 cube plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 into 4 minus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 8 plus 1. 3 into 4 plus 1, 5 minus 2 is 3. So 9 is equal to 9. This is how we prove it. Okay, this is how we become confident कि हमने कोई गलती तो नहीं कर लिया. डिफरेंस क्या याद रखना? ये माइनस है तो यहाँ पे सब प्लस है और ये प्लस है तो यहाँ पे एक माइनस है. अंडरस्टूड? ये लिख लो. प्लीज लर्न करना, आगे आएगा ये सब. Therefore, ये r minus 1 cancel. 7 is equal to r square plus r plus 1. Therefore, ये जो 7 है वो यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. So it will be r square plus r minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 के 2 factors, 3 2s are. So here what we will do, 3r minus 2r is equal to plus r. So we make the equation r square plus 3r minus 2r minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore r common, r plus 3 minus 2 common, r plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore r minus 2 is equal to 0 or r plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore r is equal to 2 or r is equal to minus 3. Answer. illustration 24, the first term and the sum of first 5 terms of GP are equal to 1 each. Find the common ratio of GP. Now, ध्यान दो, first term is equal to 1 and the sum of first 5 terms, so S5 is also equal to 1. S5 is also equal to 1. इसका मतलब है first term, second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term सबका total should also be equal to 1. How is it possible? It is possible only if you have 1, then minus 1, then 1, then minus 1 and then 1. So what will be the total if you add them? It will be equal to 1. So what will be the value of R? It cannot be plus 1. If R is plus 1, it will be all positive. So फिर 5 आ जाएगा. R will be equal to minus 1. You understood this? Now let's do it systematically. Let's write the formula. Sn is equal to, this is just for your understanding, A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Therefore, S5 is equal to A is 1, R is what we have to find out, n is 5 minus 1 upon R minus 1. Therefore, 1 is equal to 1, R raised to 5 minus 1 upon R minus 1. Therefore, R minus 1 इधर आ जाएगा. So R minus 1 is equal to R raised to 5 minus 1. Minus 1 cancel. Therefore, R raised to 5 is equal to R. Therefore, R raised to 4 is equal to 1. कैसे आया R raised to 4 is equal to 1? ये नीचे आ जाएगा, cancel हो जाएगा. R raised to 5 minus, R raised to 5 upon R is equal to 1. So ये cancel, this will become 4. Now, R raised to 4 is 1. Therefore, R can be equal to plus 1 or minus 1. Isn't it? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is also 1. And 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is also equal to 1. Is also equal to 1. पता चला ये? तो we cannot say R is equal to plus 1. Why? Because if R is equal to plus 1, S5 will not be equal to 1. Because R is plus 1 है, तो 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 which will be equal to 5. Understood this? But question में क्या कहा है? S5 is also equal to 1. Therefore, R is equal to minus 1. Answer. Are you able to understand this? 5 terms का total करना है. If all are 1, so it will be 5. But 1 है, minus 1 है, फिर 1 है, minus 1 है, और फिर 1 है, तो रह जाएगा only plus 1. Is this clear? Okay. Now,